Good day, everyone. My presentation focuses on Better World Books, a social business that transforms book resale and recycling into a global literacy movement. This organization shows how business and compassion can work together to solve social and environmental problems through innovation. Better World Books is a for-profit social enterprise founded in 2002 by students from the University of Notre Dame. It operates as an online bookstore that sells both new and used books, but its mission goes far beyond profit. Every year, millions of books are destroyed, discarded, or left unused, while at the same time, many communities around the world struggle without access to books or basic learning resources. This imbalance creates both waste and educational inequality. Better World Books recognized this issue and set out to change it through an innovation that combines environmental care with social progress. Better World Book mission has can be described using a simple verb target outcome format. Verb being harness, the action describing what Better World Book does, and the target being the power of book, the resources being leveraged, and the outcome to fund literacy and protect environment through a sustainable business model. In short, harness books to fund literacy and protect the environment through a sustainable business model. Their innovation is a circular model, collecting, reselling, donating, and recycling books. Each book sold supports literacy program, while unsellable books are recycled to prevent waste. Through this cycle, everyday purchases create real social impact. The results of this innovation are impressive. 38 million books donated to literacy programs and libraries, $35 million raised to fund educational initiatives, 475 million books reused or recycled, saving them from landfills, 117 million books sold, making reading more affordable. The innovation demonstrates triple bottom line principle of focusing on people, planet, and profit. Is a perfect example of how social entrepreneurship can achieve both financial sustainability and community impact. Now, the challenges and achievement of this innovation is the success. It has reached readers in many countries. It is recognized as a successful social business model. It is proven that a company can be both profitable and socially responsible. The struggles: books remain expensive in some developing regions. The model relies heavily on donation and logistic network. Shipping and operation costs can limit its global reach. Overall, Better World Books has shown that innovation can thrive even when faced with these real-world challenges. To make this innovation stronger and more inclusive, here are some ways it can improve. One is to create a rental or subscription system so people in low-income areas can borrow books affordably. 2. Develop a request-based donation platform that allows communities to ask for the books that they truly need. And 3. Establish a local book hub in different regions to reduce shipping costs and improve accessibility. This improvement will make the social innovation more equitable, efficient, and sustainable. To help the innovation grow and reach more people, Better World Books could partner with universities around the world to collect books that are discarded. 2. Integrate donation options with major online platforms like Amazon or Goodreads. 3. Use social media campaigns to inspire readers to donate and promote secondhand book use. And the 4th, collaborate with global NGOs and education ministries to expand literacy programs in underserved areas. This step will help scale the innovation while keeping its missions intact, spreading literacy, protecting the planet, and strengthening communities. In conclusion, Better World Books demonstrate the true power of social innovation. It shows that a profit-making enterprise can also be a force of good, improving literacy, reducing waste, and promoting sustainability. Through its model, the company reminds us that innovation doesn't just mean creating new products, it means finding new ways to solve human problems. Those are the main sources used for my research. Together, these sources help me understand how Better World Book innovation operates, its real-world impact, and how it continues to evolve as a social business.